Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a song after posting on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go to the bottom right, tap on your profile, and then go ahead and tap on the post that you wanted to add a song. For example, this one. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the three dots. Now, go ahead and tap on edit. Okay, tap on it, and as you can see here at the very top, we have the add location, add audio, add AI label. So what we're going to do is just tap on add audio. Now just go ahead and look for the song that you wanted to add. Use the search bar to find the specific audio or music, or use this trending tab to use trending music. Okay, maybe I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to tap on it, and tap on next. Cut the audio however you want, and then just tap on check. All right, as you can see here, it's now been added. So what you're going to do next is just tap on the check mark right here at the very top. And then once that's done, the post now got a song. All right, that's how easy it is to add the song after posting on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.